And then Mack. Mack's eating some treats. I just don't want him to eat his treats still. But he wants to go down the basement already. Mackie! Good boy! There's Bonnie. Oh, he's more interested in. Oh no, I don't want you going down there, buddy. There's a lot to get into down there. Come here, come here.
Tiger, come here. Tiger, come here. You cannot go downstairs. You cannot go to the basement.
Okay, sit. 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 I know you can do it, buddy. Okay, sit. 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 Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, Max seems, he's totally uninterested now. Oh,